Hello and welcome back to OneHOWTO. Today, we will teach you how to properly wear Ballet Pointe shoes. To make it easier, start by wearing leggings with a hole at the bottom. This will help prepare your feet. So, let's begin. Start by wrapping your feet with adhesive tape or use silicone pads on your big toe to avoid bunions or further damage. Now, let's put on the pointe shoes. You can choose fabric or silicone ones, whatever feels comfortable for you. Place a shoe like this and secure it with a stocking. The supportive box of the pointe shoe, which is the reinforced front part, will provide the necessary support for the dancer's feet while dancing in pointe. Now, let's wrap the tape. Begin by starting from the inside of your leg, then pass it under the area below your ankle bone and continue over the adjacent area. Repeat this step while staying close to your ankle. Twist the tape, making one turn, followed by a second turn. Tie the knot on the inside of your foot. Cross the tape over the area again, going under those same points, and tie another knot. Cut the tape to the same height. Place any remaining tape inside the shoe. Your toes are now secured. How do you know when to change your pointe shoes? Well, it's easy. When the base becomes uneven, has holes or bumps, and affects your balance. Also, the box should remain hard like cardboard. If it starts to deform or your foot no longer feels supported, it's time to change them. Before storing them, let them air out to prevent faster damage from sweat. When you go home, place them in a well-ventilated area. For storage, you can put one shoe inside the other or stack them together. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found today's lesson helpful. Don't forget to like or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and see you next time.